Hello everyone, today I am going to start trigonometric functions. Actually, here in your class it is given trigonometric functions, but actually that is a part of a branch of mathematics which is trigonometry, and it is very interesting and scoring also. So just know about the trigonometry first, and it is not new for you. You already learned this trigonometry in class 10, but there is a difference. In class 10 you learn only trigonometric ratios, and here we are supposed to learn about the trigonometric functions. So what's the trigonometry? Trigonometry is derived from, that is, two Greek words. How many words? Two Greek words. One is, that is, trigonon, means, that is, a triangle, and other word is metron, means measurement. On combined way, we may see, that is, trigonometry is science which deals with the measurement of triangles. Measurement of triangles means, that is, measurement of the sides of triangles and angles of triangles. This is about the trigonometry. It is derived from two Greek words, trigonon and metron. Trigonon means a triangle and metron means measurement. So the branch of mathematics in which we deal with the measurement of the triangles, that is, sides of a triangle, angles of a triangle, is called trigonometry. Now, the early uses of trigonometry only in case of astronomy, in field of navigation, in field of engineering. So starting from, that is, astronomy, it means a great astronomer there who started the concept of trigonometry. So earlier use for this branch of mathematics only in the field of astronomy. Then after that it is used in the field of navigation. Now it is used in engineering and other purposes. So let's start from angles. Angles. So basic concept is, when a ray, this is called initial. What? Initial. Rotates about its end O to get final position B, then we say that is what? It is called terminal side, it is called initial side. So when initial ray OA rotates, what? Rotates about its end O to get the terminal or final position OB, then we say angle AOB is formed. So how we define angle? So simply we can say the amount of rotation from initial side to the terminal side is called what? The measure of an angle, and simply at the place of saying measure of an angle, directly we can say angle. So this is about the angle when it rotates. Now it may rotate about anti-clockwise or clockwise. In the branch geometry of the same subject, maths, there is no change. But here two types of angles are there. If it rotates in anti-clockwise direction, then the angle said to be positive. If it rotates in clockwise direction, then angle is said to be negative. So how many angles are there in trigonometry? That is positive and negative angles. Positive angle and other is, that is negative angle. What's about the positive angle? That is an angle formed by anti-clockwise rotation. Okay, so if this is the position of initial side and this is the final position, and if it rotates in this direction, so we start from initial to terminal, this is called, that is positive angle. At the same time, negative angle, it means an angle formed by clockwise what? Rotation. So if this is the position of initial side, this is called OA, and it rotates in this direction to attain a final position OB, then it is called negative angle. So as the constant branch of mathematics, that is trigonometry, two types of angles are there. If rotation is anti-clockwise, then they are taken as positive. If rotation is clockwise, then that is taken as negative angle. So this is important. In the same subject, when we are dealing with geometry, then always we are supposed to take positive angles, and when we deal with the branch trigonometry, in that case we must mark this angle. The way to mark the angle in this branch, that is starting from initial side and that is up to final. Here we have to show arrow, otherwise it is not possible to decide it is positive or negative. So in this branch it is required to show the angle by arrow, starting from initial side up to terminal. So in this way we get the rotation in which direction. Now main thing required for the measurement of angle. So how we can measure? Till class 10 we measure the angle only degree. Now that is system of measurement of angles. Here three systems are there. How many systems? Three systems. First one is, that is called sexagesimal system, or we can say what? Degree measure, or we can say British system, or we can say English system. So mainly we concern with what? Sexagesimal and what? Degree measure. In this system, one right angle is divided into 90 equal parts and each part is said to be 1 degree. Okay, then 1 degree is divided into 60 equal parts, each one is called minute. So it is 1 minute. Again 1 minute is divided into 60 equal parts and each part is said to be a how many measure? Second. So it is called 1 second. This is about sexagesimal system. One more system is there, that is centesimal system, or we can say grade system, or we can say French system. In this system, one right angle is divided into 100 equal parts and each part is called grade. It is what? 1 grade. Then 1 grade is divided into, that is 100 parts, that is called 100 minutes. Then 1 minute of this system is divided into 100 equal parts, that is called seconds. So it is understood 1 second of degree system is different from the 1 second of grade system. This is concerned to only degree measure and this is concerned to grade measure, or we can say French system. Now third measurement is most important, and that is called what? Circular. What? Circular system. Here we introduce a new unit and that unit is called radian. So that's why it is called radian measure. So first of all, we are supposed to define 1 radian. What? 1 radian. So a radian is the angle subtended by an arc. It is a special arc at center of circle whose length is equal to the radius of circle. So what's about 1 radian? 1 radian is the angle which is subtended by an arc of a circle at the center of a circle whose length is equal to the radius of that circle. So if we draw a circle whose radius is r, let O denotes center. So if this is radius, let it is A, let its radius is r. Other point on the circle is, that is B, then it is also r, radii of the same circle. If we set the length of r, this is r, then automatically by the definition of that radian, it is called an angle of 1 radian. So we represent 1 radian writing 1, and then for circular measure we write that is C. Okay, and when unit is not mentioned, then radian is under history. It means now we are supposed to write in all the cases degree. We write that is 40 degree. We must write here, then 60 grades. But if I write 4, nothing is there. It means it is equal to 4, then radian. This is the meaning of this. When no unit is given, then we take them as a radian. So this is about the third system, that is called circular system or radian. In next video we link radian with degree. Okay.